Presentation for the court. This is MSSI's Index of Claims. Within their patent claims, they state the unit must be in an ISO shipping container. And although within these claims they omit ISO, they do state shipping container, and they also reference within these claims the previous claim, Claim 1 and Claim 2, that did state ISO shipping container. Again, within these claims, they omit ISO, but they state shipping container. Within that same claim, they reference Claim 1 and Claim 2, which state ISO shipping container. And here again in Claim 52, ISO shipping container. Their patent states that their access control system utilizes an ISO shipping container. For their containers to be compliant, they have to meet the standards under ISO's catalog 5518010 general purpose containers, which they do. Our solution does not require nor claim to utilize an ISO shipping container. We use a modular fiberglass mold, which does not meet one of ISO's standards for containers. This is unlike containers, which are purposely built to enable high-speed intermodal transfers in a reusable metal box between ships, rail cars, truck chassis, and barges using a minimum of labor. Again, it's a reusable metal box. And the Dictionary of International Business Terms discusses what an ISO shipping container is. A container is a uniform, sealed, reusable metal box in which merchandise is shipped by vessel, truck, or rail. Again, it's a metal box. And then here's just some more clarification of the definition under international convention, that an ISO container, according to the United Nations, is a metal box. The container box is defined in terms of its use. There have been hundreds of mutually exclusive suggestions of the definition of the container, but the one most used seemed to be that of the United States Coast Guard, which coincides with the UN and IMCO conventions of 1972. That the container is a reusable box made of metal. This is a typical ISO shipping container. This is a copy of MSSI's web page taken on 10/29/2017. And within it, they state shipping containers. And this is the same page taken on 10/29/17, where they say that their units are standard ISO shipping containers made of 16 gauge steel. This is a video of how ISO shipping containers are made.
From preventing theft of time to identifying potential terrorist threats, Modular Security Systems, Inc. offers solutions to help you secure any location, in any climate, anywhere in the world. MSSI's Modular Access Control, or MAC unit, is a fully customizable turnkey solution designed to control entry into any location for less money than conventional stick building.
The product was developed after 9/11 to provide an entry passage onto high security soft target sites, refineries, power plants, that needed to be able to control the people in and out of the site and also have a record of who has entered the site and who's left.
The MAC can be easily installed into any existing fence line to create an instant secure access point for employees, contractors, or guests to enter and exit your facility.
The impact on site is very, very minimal. When it gets there, set it in your fence line, tie it into your fence, power it up, and people start going through it.
MSSI knew that each MAC unit needed to be built on a platform that was virtually indestructible, portable, environmentally friendly, and yet cost-effective enough to pass considerable savings through to clients. With these parameters in mind, MSSI turned to the overseas shipping industry. Millions of new shipping containers arrive in the U.S. each year. This surplus of rigid steel containers provided the perfect framework for the MAC security unit.
They're designed to hold 67,000 pounds and be stacked 11 high, so it's a very, very sturdy building block that we start with.
Every client is unique, which is why MSSI offers a build-to-suit business model. The MAC you want will be the MAC you need, and nothing less.
From the readers to the turnstiles to the access control to the doors, whatever the customer wants, we'll adapt this thing to meet their needs.
There is a wide array of custom features such as ID swipes, security cameras, facial recognition systems, X-ray, chemical detectors, biometric scanners, and even radioactive material detection, to name a few.
When the unit loses power, the turnstiles automatically lock for entry and they free spool egress, meaning people inside the site are able to leave freely, but people can't turn around and go back in.
Climate-controlled guardhouses and vestibules are quickly becoming standard requests as more and more clients are installing MAC units permanently on site. In some industries, presentation is everything. Every model of MAC unit can be surfaced with a weather-resistant, maintenance-free facade, sure to match your company's existing structures. From single turnstile units to multi-lane baggage scanning capability, there are virtually endless variations to ensure that your needs are met in the most cost-effective manner possible. Once a unit is completed at the manufacturing facility in Worthington, Kentucky, it is thoroughly tested, secured for shipping, loaded, and delivered to its final destination anywhere in the world. MSSI representatives accompany the unit to ensure that the installation process is seamless and that the unit arrives in working order. Should anything malfunction during the warranty period, a replacement part will be quickly provided at no cost. Clients from around the world trust modular access control units to secure their sites. Clients include the Pentagon, the U.S. Army, the U.S. Air Force, Suncor Energy, Marathon Petroleum, Sunoco, Halliburton, the Port Authority of New York and New Jersey, Washington Group International, and Lockheed Martin. Call Modular Security Systems today to discuss a security access solution just for you.
RM Products Limited fiberglass pre-engineered structures are used in a wide variety of applications and are available in a range of sizes and designs. Finite element analysis is used to determine the acceptable design to meet required loads. RM's buildings are a sandwich panel design which is made up of two skins of fiberglass that totally encapsulate a foam insulation core. To make sure there is maximum strength and no chance of delamination, a resin bridge ties the two fiberglass surfaces together. Insulation value is determined by the customer's needs. Our width sizes are up to 20 feet. Wall height is available up to 14 feet. Length is unlimited. RM Products Limited takes a personal approach to designing a fiberglass structure that fits the customer's needs exactly. We can easily modify the widths and heights to allow for the perfect solution. To ensure the best quality, RM's prefabricated portable buildings are manufactured and assembled at our facility. We organize the shipment of your building and pre-arrange delivery with our customers to assure that there are no issues or surprises. RM Products understands the difficulties of setting a prefabricated portable building on some sites. There could be congestion caused by existing equipment, or the limitations of shipping buildings that are too wide and too tall due to road restrictions. When building on site is required, our modular system has been used worldwide to solve problems such as these. RM's pre-engineered modular building system is produced in modules that, when put together on site, are identical without compromise. The large, lightweight components are pre-drilled for easy fastening to create a module. Once together and sealed, the modules become one integrated wall, floor, and roof unit. Each module is engineered to withstand the rigors of transportation and craning onto foundations. Compared to conventional construction, our system removes approximately 80% of the building construction activity from the site location. This significantly reduces site disruption, improves overall safety, security, and cost. We provide 3D drawings for approval before manufacturing to assure that the customer's specifications are exactly met. RM offers our customers many options, such as various door designs, windows and skylights, lifting eyes, electrical equipment in either non- or explosion-proof options, roof hatches, HVAC units, steel skids, floors, and bases. Why fiberglass? Pound for pound, fiberglass is stronger than sheet metal, but it will not rust. It is perfect for outside use or in locations near water, especially salt water or corrosive environments. Fiberglass absorbs sound waves for lowering machinery volumes. Fiberglass is virtually maintenance-free and chemical resistant. Fiberglass is non-conductive and RF transparent. Fiberglass buildings by RM Products, the complete solution.
And this is a video of how our fiberglass molds are made. Thank you very much for your time.